our first things we like to do when we get to the simulator is go to the range and warm up. So in this video I'll show you how to do that. So when you walk in the simulator, it loads to this screen and you can just click practice and then go to range and hit continue. If you've already logged in, you'll see your name and you can hit start. Okay, when the range loads, the first thing you're going to do is choose your clubs. If you already set up your bag, you'll see just the clubs in your bag. And my favorite club to warm up with is the 7-iron, so we'll choose that. And over on the right, you can adjust the circle where your target is. So let's say I want to hit 155. Now let's grab our club and hit a ball. So with the ball on the mat, we'll take a swing with our 7-iron. And there we go. So we can take a few shots with that, and then when you're ready to switch clubs, on the screen where you see the 7-iron icon, you tap that, and let's say we want to hit a few drivers. And again, same thing, we have our target distance that we can change.